Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you like this look today, we are playing in some fun makeup. My friend Yvonne got me the Morphe and Lisa Frank collab eyeshadow palette for the holidays as a Christmas gift. So first, thank you, Yvonne. Secondly, if you like this video, make sure you stay tuned to see how it all came together. But yeah, I think this is a vibe. So stay tuned and keep watching. Primer, we're gonna use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. This is the matte primer. So we're gonna start with the brows. We are using my Perfect Brow Pencil.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
Right, so foundation today, I'm going in with my Tarte Cosmetics foundation. This is in the shade Rich Honey. Actually, let me pull my hair back because the way this foundation is set up. Okay, so this has a doe foot applicator, meaning that it's not like a pump and it's not like a not a pump, I'm not sure what I was trying to say. It's not, it doesn't require a pump, so it has a doe foot applicator, kind of like how you would use concealer and stuff. So I'm just gonna apply a couple of streaks, kind of all over. And I'm gonna take my foundation brush. I look crazy. Actually take my earrings off too. Take my foundation brush, and we're gonna
Take me to your heart.
Okay, so anyway, foundation is on. Again, that is in Rich Honey. I think they have another shade that's a little bit deeper, which I'll find it. I'll make sure I try to test it out. Anyway, so we are done with foundation. Do I want to do eyes first? Yes, I do. Okay, so we're gonna go in. Actually use my concealer. So this is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. We're gonna formula. Okay, so I'm actually going to use my Mented Cosmetics Out of Office Bronzer. just to warm up a little bit of this face. So let me open it, and I'm gonna just get a I think what brush you would want to use. Alright, I'm gonna use this brush. This is a crease brush. You can normally use it. I'm gonna actually go right here and use it. You can kind of see how it defines the nose a little bit. Okay, so that kind of helps shape the nose a little bit better. All right, back to the eyes. So today, I feel like purple will be fun. All right, let's start with this peachy color. Oh, it's very pigmented. Okay, first impression, very pigmented. Child, you don't need a lot. All right, and for a little shimmer. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. That's pretty. That's a cute. Okay, I like that. Next, I was gonna contour, but I'm not. I just kind of want to relax on that. And I almost did. Oh, I have blush. Okay. And for blush, we're gonna use the e.l.f. Cosmetic Always Rosy. So we'll try this one today. And here's my blush brush, and we will just go right here. Okay. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I wanted to do lashes. I'm gonna do lashes. Let me go get my lashes. Okay, so we're back. We're gonna use my good old lashes from Amazon. And first things first, I'm gonna do a little mascara on my actual lashes. I've noticed that they help with when I apply the magnetic lashes, just the blend of them are a little bit better. Anyway, this is from NARS and lashes today. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do, I don't know, let's try, I think I'm gonna try the second pair. We'll see. I'm excited to see how that, real fast, my lips are chapped.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
Ooh, guys, ooh, that's pretty. Oh, okay, y'all, these are pretty. Okay, let me apply this. Okay, y'all see that? No, I think I'm like applying them, but like, there we, okay, I think that might be better. Okay, we can do that one more. That's cute. Okay, okay. I think I don't know if I want highlighter. I have highlighter in here, but I have blush on, and I'm gonna stick to the, I'm not gonna do the highlighter. Lips. Okay, so for lips, we're gonna go in with my, my Maybelline Super Matte Stay Shade Protector. And then this is Dose of Colors. This is in the shade Play It Cool, which is like a mauvey nude. All right, this is actually super pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, I like this, you guys. Anyway, this is the look. Ooh. Oh, y'all, sometimes I just be like, is it me? Is it what we doing? What's happening? This is cute. I love this. I was gonna, if you guys saw me on Instagram, I've got some new blue light glasses, and I'm just kind of curious to see what this looks like. If like it's a vibe. Anyway, let's set my face. That was the Revlon Calm Me Super Fix Spray with cannabis sativa, and it smells lovely. All right, I hope you like this look. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and welcome to the family. Guys, we are almost at 100 subscribers. So share this video out with your friends, your family, your cousins, your sisters, auntie from the hair shop down the street. Like, we're so close. And I just want to say thank you for following along, watching videos, liking, commenting, subscribing to the channel. It means the world to me, you guys. When I started this, I genuinely did it trying to be obedient to God, and I've seen his faithfulness, and I'm just so thankful that you're a part of the community and the family. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I love to talk on there, and I'm always on it. But until we meet again, and until next time, be well, do well, and be safe.